Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the essentials, the movie file and the subtitle file, and installing a subtitle editor and a player. Check the container and the video's frame rate so timing adjustments match. Make sure the SRT or AS file is UTF-8 to avoid garbled text. Once done, open the subtitle in your editor and the video in a player side by side. This lets you scrub frames while editing. It saves time and prevents guessing timing later. You now fix timing and display. First, determine if subtitles run early, late, or drift. Apply a constant offset for a fixed delay or stretch timestamps when drift occurs. Use frame or millisecond adjustments for precision. Next, tidy line breaks and merge or split cues to keep sentences readable. If using, update style and vertical position so text avoids on-screen graphics. Make small changes and preview after each edit so you know why a tweak worked. You finish by exporting and testing. For permanent subtitles, hard burn with handbrake. For selectable tracks, mux the file into an MKV or MP4, keeping the SRT as a soft subtitle. Export with UTF-8, encoding and test on at least 2 players and 1 mobile device to verify compatibility. If problems continue, check FPS mismatch between video and subtitle timestamps, non-standard time formats, or leftover formatting tags. Fixing those typically resolves stubborn errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.